Today we shall discuss yoga for a normal delivery. Which exercise you should be doing to have a normal and painless delivery. We'll do a few exercises that will help you to take the process of your pregnancy smooth and easy. Remember, you need to do the exercises which are easily doable. Like you are feeling pain or much discomfort, you should not be doing those exercises. But I am very sure you know a difference between a stretch and the pain. Light stretch has to happen when you do the exercise, but it should not be paining. And I suggest you to consult your doctor before starting this practice. So consult your gynae, your doctor before start practicing. And before we start, remember to subscribe my channel, because I have seen a lot of videos that you people are loving the videos but you're not subscribing. So subscribe, like and share the video to the needy ones. Also press the bell icon that will enable you to get all the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Let's do the first asana, that is first exercise, Malasana. You need to be sitting, keeping your feet around a foot apart. Take your elbows between the knees, push your knees wide open and keep looking forward. Hold it there for 30 to 45 seconds. For some people it may be a little difficult posture, that if you are not able to sit, you can do it on the chair. Next posture, let's sit down at the side. Take your left foot up, place your ankle on the right knee and push the knee forward. Keep pushing it forward, keep your arms straight. Keep sitting 30 to 45 seconds again. Breathe normal, breathe light. Let's change the side. Placing the right ankle on the left knee, pushing the right knee forward. Keep sitting this way. Remember, for any posture, if you are feeling very much discomfort or excessive pain, do not do that posture. Holding again for 30 to 45 seconds. Breathing normal. Relax. Now, sitting, taking your legs in front. Feet are at a comfortable distance and feet around 1.5 feet apart. Slowly raise the hands up, inhaling. Drop your hands down in front, a little forward to the feet and just lean forward. Shift the weight a little on the hands. Make sure your abdomen is not being pressed down on the ground, so go that much forward only and keep looking forward. Hold it there, your knees are being pressed out. It will help to open your pelvic girdle, will make your normal delivery easier. Whenever you deliver the baby, the pain will be much less if you do this posture on a regular basis. Do it 30 to 45 seconds again. Breathing is normal, light. Slowly come back. Take your legs in, taking support with something, gently sit straight up. Next posture is opening the legs wide, that is called Warrior 2. Turn the right foot out. The chest is still facing forward. Bend the front right leg. Raise the hands up parallel to the shoulders. Gently make the front right leg straight. Then bend it down again. Keep moving this way. Do it 15 to 30 times as per your capacity. Slowly down and up. Breathing normal. Last one. Relax. Let's turn the right foot straight, turn the left foot out. The chest is still facing forward. Raise the hands up parallel to the shoulders. Bend the knee and come down. Keep moving. 15 to 30 times again this side also. Do not push too much, remember. Last one. Relax, easy. Take your feet in, but still the feet around 2 feet apart. Toes turned outside. Turn the toes out. Now, PA squatting. We shall do it again 15 to 30 times. You need to push your knees out, keeping your back straight. Raise the hands up parallel to the shoulders. Come down. If you're going out of balance, please keep a chair or something close to you that you may hold the chair and go like that. So you are not falling down. Let's go. Down and up. 15 to 30. Two more. Last one. Relax. Take your feet in. The next posture is downward facing dog or Parvatasana, or what we say mountain pose. You need to turn to the side. Taking your hands down. Walk forward. Take your feet around the foot apart and press your head down. Both heels are down, both feet are firm down. Stay there. Keep holding. In case you are slipping down, then you should keep a pillow under your chest. So if you slip also, then also your baby is in a safe position. Right? So keep a pillow under the chest. Hold the posture for 30 to 45 seconds. Relax. Slowly come down. Let's do a cat stretch now. Being like this, take your left hand in front and stretch your right leg back. Raise the left hand a little up. Raise the right leg a little up. Keep holding it. 30 to 45 seconds again. Toes pointing back. Breathe. Relax. Let's change the side. Right hand forward and left leg back. Stay. Keep holding. Breathing is normal. 30 to 45 seconds. Relax. Going for cat and camel pose now. Inhaling, you need to arch your back and look up. Arms are straight and palms under the shoulders. Then exhaling, make a hunch at your back and look down towards your navel. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, exhale, keep moving. Cat and camel pose, or what we say, cat and cow also. Do it 15 to 20 times. Last one. Let's sit down, sit front side of the mat. Now take your left leg in front. Left leg is straight and right ankle under the hip, or you may keep it aside also. Make sure you're not feeling very uncomfortable, not very uncomfortable. So, if you feel it very difficult, please avoid. Otherwise, just drop your elbows down and look up. Drop the shoulders down, expand your chest, left toes pointing forward. Hold it there for 30 to 45 seconds again. Stay. Breathing is normal again. Slowly come up. Let's take your left leg in. Make your right leg straight in front. Right toes pointing forward. Drop your palms, drop your elbows down, back side, and look up. Hold it there. Thirty to 45 seconds again. Look forward. Slowly come up. Now open your both legs wider. Gently turning sideways. Lie down flat on your back, please. On the back. Supta Tadasana. Interlock the fingers. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your arms back side. Now stretch your legs forward, arms back. Maximum back with the hands, maximum forward with the legs. Keep stretching your body opposite. Keep holding as per your capacity. Minimum 20 seconds, 20 to 40 seconds maybe. Breathing is normal again. Stretch. Relax. Take your hands down close to the thighs. Let's bend your right leg in. Place the right foot at your left knee. Right foot on the left knee. And using your right hand, hold the right knee and press the knee down on the ground. Raise it up, raise the knee up, press it down again. Raise the knee up, press it down. Do it 10 to 20 times. Up and down. Left toes pointing forward. Last two. Last one. Let's repeat the same other side also. Now bending your left leg in. Hold the left knee with the left hand. Drop it down to the left side. Come up. Dropping it down and come up. Keep going. 10 to 20 times maybe. Last two. Last one. Relax. Gently turning sideways. Use your hands. Sit straight up, please. Sit in a comfortable posture. I'm very sure if you do these exercises on a regular basis, spending around 20 to 30 minutes every day, that will help you a lot getting a normal and painless delivery. It will be an easy journey for you. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.